Okay, so today we are going to start one writing skill, fair notebook. Take out your fair notebooks and rough notebooks because you will get the question also. Is it okay? Take out your fair notebooks. The format is to be written there, fair notebook, and the question for time being, you are going to write in your rough notebook and later on fair notebook. You just need to take out your notebooks. That's all. Friday. अच्छा, now listen. I hope किसी की नोटबुक्स को कोई ऐसा अभी तक सिस्टम नहीं हुआ कि उन्हें बुलाओ कि बाहर आ जाओ नोटबुक, तो वो आ जाती हैं. वॉइस से नहीं चल रही अभी तक वो. So I don't think कि तुम्हें कुछ बोलना चाहिए. Just take out your notebooks with your hand. Hands बोलते नहीं हैं. So it means silently this procedure should be completed. Done? Okay, now talking about letters. Types of letters, Pulkit. Formal and informal. Okay, so there are two types of letters. One is, no need to write this. You already know. This is a kind of revision. Okay, formal. Other is informal. Okay, formal means formal letter. Prabal. Formal letters. Formal letters are written to friends and relatives. Okay, correct? Formal letters are written to head, like principals, managers, or you can simply say higher authorities. And in this, we will include editors and all. Correct? Is it okay? And what about informal letters? Raghav? Brother, sister, relatives, family, right? It is about family. What is the difference? Major difference. Okay, this we write to the letter editors or heads, right? Here we write to our family members. Then what is the difference? Way of writing. Then talk about that way of writing, na? Okay, you can talk openly here, and then you use expressions. Okay, personal pronouns, so there also you can use personal pronouns. Idioms, we avoid idioms there, but we use idioms here in this part. And then any other thing? Tone should be formal, and here it should be informal, right? Formal means we have to be very polite. Okay, we cannot show that, okay, just some friends se baat kar rahe hain, how are you? Okay, I'm also fine, what's up? Not like this. We have to be very formal. The way we talk to the principals, or the way we are supposed to talk to the heads, same way we are going to write. Got it? Understood? So we are going to discuss letter to the editor, which falls under the category of formal letter, right? Correct? Now what is the format? This time formal letter. Letter to, I think I have to write, I have to speak. You want to say something, Karan? Sure. Letter to editor, it means editor kahan hota hai? Newspaper, right? So when we are going to write about that, it means we will discuss some issues. If we have some complaint and we want public to read that, then we are going to issue our letter, or we are going to ask the editor to print that letter in that newspaper. Now, when you are writing letter to editor, you have nothing to do with the editor. Don't complain him. Don't ask him for the action. He is the person who is just going to print. उसने सिर्फ print करना है, उसको complaint नहीं करनी है. Means the complaint is regarding that some roads and all. You are not supposed to complain the editor. उसने कुछ नहीं करना. That should be to municipal corporation and जो भी है, ठीक है? Suppose you want to praise someone. Again, don't praise the editor. You have to request him to give you space, or your article or your letter some space in the newspaper. That's all. Is it okay? This is, you can say, one of the major problems. While you write, you start complaining, you start addressing to the editor. वो सारा तुम editor के ऊपर लिख देते हो. It is not about editor. You are just writing to the editor. You want him to publish. That's all. Okay? Correct? So now tell me the format. This is my margin format. Hopefully you have written the letters. Name of the, we'll start with name of the newspaper. मतलब तुम वेट करते हो एक बच्चा गलत बोले फिर हम बोलेंगे सही, है ना? First comes sender's address. Sender's address, try to cover the address in 3 lines or 2 lines. Don't write house number, area, city. एक ही लाइन में नहीं लिखना. और अभी तक बच्चे ये चीज कर रहे हैं. It shouldn't be like house number, comma, area, comma, city. House number, area, city. This way you have to write. After that, receiver's address. Who is the receiver? Editor. Editor is the receiver, na? Sure. What about date? First, we'll write date. First, leave 1 line. Then write down the date of writing the letter. Again, leave 1 line. And then you have to start with receiver's address. And now, who is the receiver here? Receiver is the editor. Okay? The editor. Don't write to the editor. Okay? The editor. Then newspaper name. Write down any name. If no name is mentioned in the question, then you can choose any name. And if name is mentioned, then you have to write that name. Suppose it is written that you have to write a newspaper to the editor of local, daily local, कुछ ऐसे लिखा होता है. That is not the name of the newspaper. That means कि तुम्हें एक local editor को लिखना है. Give the name. Don't write local daily or daily local, कुछ ऐसे लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे. You have to give proper name. Name of the newspaper. And after that comes city. Is it okay? Then leave 1 line and write down the subject. Write down the subject. First, you have to deal with the addresses, all the addresses, right? And then write down the subject. Correct? Same. Subject should be short and topic must be clear from the subject. Don't copy the question in this part. At least इतनी common sense use किया करो, वो words को हटा दिया करो, जैसे write the letter. You just copy and you write here, write a letter to this. Choose a major main topic and then write. Correct? Clear? After that, salutation. Salutation, for salutation you can simply write sir, or you can write ma'am. This will go without any comma. Sir or ma'am. Choose any, your wish. You can write sir or you can write ma'am. Don't go for dear also. ठीक है, कई बुक्स में dear लिखा हुआ है. Done? Clear? If you will write everything correct, you will get 1 marks for this. ठीक है, 1 for this. Is it okay? After this, body. Then, what is the usual procedure to write? Introduction, right? For 3 paragraphs. For letter to editors, sometimes we write 4 paragraphs also, depending on the content or topic we have. Okay, so 4 paragraphs bhi ho sakte hain. Clear? Now, if we talk about paragraphs, first para, always introduction. Now, introduce your topic. ठीक है? Talk about the newspaper and in first line mention that this is the topic about that you want to write. Correct? Then para 2, give details, what reasons, causes, jo bhi hai. And if you need para 3rd for details, then use that also. If you have more content, you can use that also. 2 and 3 for details. Then otherwise para 2 will also work. मतलब एक second para में भी तुम्हारी details आ सकती हैं. If you are able to cover, well and good. If you think कि content ज़्यादा है, हमारे पास new point है कोई, then you can go for 3rd paragraph. ठीक है? Then last paragraph, that is 4th. In this paragraph, you are going to conclude. Is it okay? And ask for the action. किससे action की बात करनी है तुमने? Authorities, not the editor. Jasleen and Angel, what happened? Something you want to share? We want you to share. Come. Write a letter about whatever you are talking. Done? See para, these depends. You can write 1, 2, 3 paragraphs or go for 4 paragraphs. First and 4th paragraph means introduction and conclusion. These paragraphs must be short. ठीक है, ये short होने चाहिए. Done? How to end? What? Give some space. This through your columns, वगैरह, whatever you write. Yours truly. Go for yours truly. Without E. Yours truly without E. Truly without E. ठीक है? Yours truly. Then write down the name. If name is written, then you have to write that name. If no name is written, then definitely ABC. And go for ABC mostly. Done? Now few points. If you want to write, it is up to you. Tone must be formal. It means you need to write in a polite way. Don't ask for the well-being. Hello, how are you? That is not required. Directly come to the topic. Okay, be formal and directly write down the topic, that this is the topic and I want to share my views or express my concern, whatever it is, directly. Don't write I am fine, you are also fine, newspaper is doing well, this, that, nothing. Got it? Is it okay? Correct? Then as you have to write in a formal way, so choose language accordingly. Try to avoid short forms. जैसे तुम्हारी short forms WhatsApp ये सारी types हैं, don't write. Means पूरा लिखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? Go for full forms. Idioms can be used, but again, if you want to use idioms, go for formal idioms. जिसमें language उस according हो. ठीक है? Not informal idioms. Is it okay? Try to make it impressive. How to make it impressive? Give details. Details in the sense, again, examples. I have this problem. So because of this problem, this thing is happening. Give reason for whatever you are writing. एक एग्जांपल भी मुझे इस टाइम पे याद नहीं है, आएगी तो बता दूंगी. Is it okay? Correct. Now write down the question. Which question do you want to write? To the editor. It means you want public to read whatever you are writing. What do you want public to read? Not what? Importance of vaccination. Any other thing? Shara, correct. Shara आ रहा है. Cracker free Diwali. So it means it is a kind of appeal. If you are going to choose this topic, it means you are going to write, you are going to make an appeal. Is it okay?
जैसे बैठी हूँ ऐसे बैठी हुई.
एक सेकंड रुक जाओ.
मैं सिंपल बैठी हुई हूँ, मेरी शॉर्ट पे लिखी जा रहा है.
Yes, write down the question. Pollution free Diwali. Write down the letter to the editor to be published in daily newspaper. Write a letter to the editor of a daily newspaper, encouraging the people of your city, encouraging the people of your city to celebrate pollution free Diwali. Now, while talking about pollution free Diwali, make sure that you have to mention that your intention is not to hurt anybody's religious sentiments. ठीक है, वो कई बार दिल पे भी ले जाते हैं that okay, why are you saying us to, asking us to celebrate pollution free Diwali when other religions do this, that go for this also. That it is our betterment for human beings only, because right now the pollution and global warming and all, you all know these things. ठीक है, so because of these, mankind is in danger. Our survival is difficult, okay, and nature is also bearing all these things, and that too because of our fault. ठीक है, ये चीजें, and then just list the benefits of celebrating pollution free Diwali. Okay, correct. This is a kind of appeal. So in the last paragraph you are going to write that I make an appeal to the people of my city or the villagers जो भी हैं, just go for this type of Diwali. ठीक है, start writing. Pair पे. This format plus question you need to write in pair notebook. Don't write that editor, to the editor, I want to tell you about this. You are not going to tell anything to the editor. Now you are directly going to talk, means you are addressing the public, people of your city. Go for that. Now newspaper's name is not daily newspaper. I have not given you any name. You have to write the name yourself. The Tribune, Hindustan Times, or any. Pollution free Diwali. You are going to write to editor ना, but तुम्हारा अब न्यूज़पेपर में एक बार जाके आज चेक करना, लेटर्स होते हैं वहां पे, उन्होंने पब्लिश किए होते हैं. ठीक है, तो दोज लेटर्स आर अबाउट फॉर द पब्लिक. तो तुमने पब्लिक को अट्रैक्ट करना है कि ये मेरा टॉपिक है. नाउ दे डिसाइड. हाँ, ये भी लिख सकते हो. एनकरेजिंग पीपल फॉर पोल्यूशन फ्री दिवाली. ये आगे 2-3 जो वर्ड्स लगाने वो तुम लगाओगे. एज अ रीडर देखो, you are going to read this part, and if you find it attractive, only then you will continue, otherwise you will leave. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे, ये एडिटर को नहीं लिखना यहाँ पे. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये सोचो कि तुमने एडिट, डेफिनेटली एडिटर तो देखेगा ही, एडिटर भी देखेगा कि ये अच्छी है चीज की नहीं अच्छी है, तो उस अकॉर्डिंग लिखो, ठीक है। नहीं, यहाँ एडिटर को भी तो पता होना चाहिए कि क्या लिख रहे हो। मेंशन नहीं करोगे एडिटर को, एडिटर को यू हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशनड हियर, दैट्स ऑल, काम खत्म। In first stanza of paragraph, you will mention something. The newspaper is through your esteemed newspaper columns ये वगैरह. Yes, form. What about the form? इसके लिए भी बोलना पड़ेगा, दिखाएंगे। जिस बच्चे की फॉर्म नहीं है उसे होश ही नहीं आ रहा कि मैंने फॉर्म डिपॉजिट करवाना है, घर पे बहुत काम है, सफाइयां करनी पड़ रही है। हाँ करके मैं। I hope you have heard this. After 8:20, nobody will be allowed to enter the school. घर जाना वापस। बस वालों के लिए तो बस ही लेकर आ रही हूँ, तुम्हारे को तो वो लेकर आए। नहीं दिया फॉर्म, मैं बहुत बिजी था। तब पूछना था, जब तक मैं नहीं पूछूंगी तब तक मुझसे पूछना भी नहीं था। वेट कर रहे थे। फिर सैटरडे से ये फॉर्म्स मिले हुए हैं ना, या सीधा लिख के भेजू ये बच्चा अपीयर ही नहीं कर रहा, 10th में पहुंचेगा ही नहीं ये। किसका वेट कर रहे थे? याद नहीं था, क्यों?